Hi Stampers! We are on card number 4 of the September 2015 online card class. This is card number 4, and again remember that we're using a little something card stamp set for this card class. Here are the pieces you will receive in your card kit for card number 4. You'll have the soft suede card base. You'll have Tangelo Twist and Whisper White that's going to mat for the inside of the card. You also have a piece of Into the Woods Designer Series paper, and then Tangelo Twist that mats with that. You also receive Early Espresso Scallop, Tangelo Twist 1.5 inch circle, 1 3/8 inch circle Whisper White, and then some candy dots. So let's get started. First, we're going to stamp some leaves along the bottom. And what we're going to do is add some fall leaves, and so we're going to color the stamp with markers. We've got multicolored leaves on our paper. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to use Tangelo Twist, and I'm going to color the opposite sides, right? Again, for the flat side of the marker. And again, if you don't have the markers, you can always do this with blender pens and ink pads. Okay, so the opposite sides is the Daffodil Delight marker. Again, side of the marker to color on the stamp, right? And then Old Olive in the center. So you'll want to remember this pattern because this is what you'll want to do for each these stamps so you don't get all your markers messed up, all right? Okay, so again, the Breath of Life. Okay, and then we're going to put some leaves here at the bottom. Right, so then we just repeat that process. Right, so our inside of our card is completed with our stamping. Okay, so now we're going to stamp our Grateful for You, and we're going to use quite a bit of color to ink up this stamp. So to start off with, we're going to put on the Old Olive in the For You part. Okay, so again, flat side of the marker. Make sure you get some good coverage there. Okay, and remember you don't have to go fast on this because we're going to give it the Breath of Life. The next one is Grateful. And like to come from the side. Try not to get it on the other pieces there. Make sure that's all nicely covered. Okay, and then we'll add the soft suede. Okay, so I'm going to turn that around. And right now I'm just going to color all over that acorn. Right? Then we're going to use this edge and color in the little top part of the acorn. You can use the fine point for this. And if it's a little cross-hatched, that's quite okay. That is what the acorn is supposed to look like on the top part of it. Okay, so now we're going to give it the Breath of Life. Lay it face up with my wood mount stamp and press this on. Okay, again, making sure we're not moving that paper. Okay, there's Grateful for You. Now it's time to assemble the card. I've already matted and adhered these two pieces together for the inside. So let's just get that adhered to the inside of the card. Just remember there's a little bit of a mat around the card, the inside here. Okay. So now we're going to adhere our Designer Series paper and Tangelo Twist that's matted on top of that. Okay, and this is the upper part of the card. Okay, Now we're going to finish assembling this. I've already adhered the stamp piece to the Tangelo twist circle. Okay, so just need to add it to our scallop. And then we're going to take 2 of these dimensionals and add these onto our card. Okay, so that goes down here, the bottom part of the designer series paper. And then our last little touch is to add these little candy dots. Hidden little gem on this card. Okay, and these are both going to go in this upper corner. And I'm using this paper piercer. This is really a great tool to use. And there we have card number 4 for the 2015 September online card class. Thanks for joining us.